Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, ngiyambona Yorata is starting again now to gaslight us. Abantu abamnyama in court. Yabona ukuthi this thing is going other places. When people start to drag him on social media, ngathi bayamsukela. Urata guys. Uvele nje azihlehla esihlahleni. Whenever it suits him. Like, what must we do with this bragging every time of 30 years? It doesn't give us anything that 30 years. We just want justice for Senzo Mehiu. That's all we're looking for. We don't care about you. Actually. Always making everything about himself. All the time. And it's so crazy because Umnisi did apologize. He's going to be late. He told us on Tuesday already. Some of us did listen. For example, we understand Urazamanji wants to gossip about Umnisi, guys, just because he hasn't arrived. And Umnisi is like so proper. I know him. He was just like, no, I'm coming. I'm coming. Everything is always about Rasa, guys. It's so annoying. Oh my word. Guys, Umtobisi Mnubi is taking other directions now. I'm just like, hey, Bo. He is just like, listen here. And it's Google versions. Like I've been saying, there's a lot of versions. Ukeli Kumalo, you mastermind. Some days Ukeli Kumalo is the one that actually shot Senzo Mehiwa. Some other days, actually Ulongo is the one. Like, I understand a lot. Google's got to phone now. No, there's been an accident. Ulongo shot Senzo. So which one is this? So, him. No, actually, you know what? I'm so proud of him. Just as much as he's soft-spoken, but he is on point. He's just like, listen. I've never been there. I'll just see the photos here. That's how I know the house now. I've never been there. Brigadier's fabrication. That's it. Decided to Uti mean. And everyone who's been here, Uti, it's short dreadlocks, and it's a brown jacket, and I'm brown, and I'm also black. So which one is it? So that's not me. And also, it's not me because I've never been there. Anyways. So I wouldn't know Uti Brigadier and you're not Uti mean. I'm just like, guys, I go to Brigadier and how long is this gonna go on? It's like funny guys. Like how we've been saying, guy, you read. Or just go extra, guys. It's beyond now. I don't trust him just as much as him. I'm trust and I respect that. But I'm just like, and the state will make the right decision when. At the same time, food to mastermind because I will not but which one is it then? You want to no guys. And actually for me, mastermind man Chico. Because I used to come a lot to be Zion. And then he took them to holidays and then he clean the house or my period clean. And the Shadrach is also involved. Guys, we are just so tired of this case actually. They're actually playing the Mehiwas. Literally, right in front of our eyes. It's like so crazy, you know? This is why I feel like Kukininda must just be arrested, guys. It's actually overdue. Yeah, for defeating the ends of justice and making up stories on fairy tales, things that don't exist. Fabricating things and manufacturing and cooking. And then by when Kukininda must just be arrested, guys. And Umtobisi Mnubi did mention, which you know what's crazy is that Kukininda had said, Kelly must also be arrested. And one Friday, Advocate Zandile Msholo was like, when is Kelly going to be arrested? He should then be arrested. And it's in mastermind. Because Kininda was there.
So I don't have any hand, my lord, or any connection in the death of Senzo. And again, my lord, there are no 4 suspects or accused, making me the 5th one that I planned with to kill Senzo. Here I'm just being put in something that I don't know, my lord.
Thank you. Now, he further went on then to deal with how each of you is involved in the commission of the offense and the evidence that he probably gathered. I don't know. But
uyaqhubeka manje futhi uyabekeni inkosi enkantolo ukuthi ke lokhu nuhlele njani nasenikwenza njani ukuthi ke abulawa.
He starts to speak of accused number 1. He says, the accused boasted to individual closely associated with him in KZN Homeland as to his involvement together with Mafiga here in under suspect 2, Carlos under suspect 3, Mapisa under suspect 4, and Kani suspect 5 into the killing of the deceased.
That is accused number 1?
Yes, that is how Brigadier Kininda tried to link accused number 1 with the commission of the offense, but including this Mr. Accused number 3 as well, who's Carlos, suspect number.
Ubrigadier Gininda ke uye wabeka ke echaza ukuthi ke yena umsala oqala ke ubeshaya isifuba ukuthi ke uSenzomiya bambulele kanjani efaka yena uMafika uCarlos noNkani nawe ke ekufaka lapho ukuthi nawe bekumunye umuntu ingcenye wabantu la bebekhona.
So this basically means why is a case at in the homeland? Accused number 1 boasted about how accused number 2, in fact, about how himself, accused number 2, yourself was accused number 3, Mr. Mapisa was accused number 4, and Mr. Nkani accused number 5 were involved in the killing of the deceased. Do you follow now?
Uyakulandela lokho shoyo ukuthi ke uthi ke uBarisa Gininda ke accused number 1 wafika lapha ke esibhedini ke emakhaya esishaya isifuba ngendlela nikulale ngakhona ke yena umufi esho ukuthi yena naye ke accused number 2 no number 3 lo wena no number 4 uMapisa futhi naye accused number 5 uNkani. Uyabuza lokho?
Ngiyalandela.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Mube, as you were seated today throughout the trial, I hope you're paying full attention to everything that was happening here, not so?
Mntwana Ncube ngiyathemba ukuthi ke ngale nkathi ke ulokhu hlezi masiqala ke ngale cala leli ke ufakazi bebizwa ubulandela konke bekushiwo la ikhotha ngithi. Yes.
From the time at which the state started to leave its witnesses, it concluded its evidence up until the time when you yourself got into the box.
Ubuloku landela isikole ngale nkathi ke umbuso ke ubiza bonke ufakazi babo abama lapho ume khona namhlanje bethu ufakazi kuzofike ke lapho wena sokungena kune boxina ngithi.
Yebo.
Yes.
Do you recall any witness that was presented by the state to the court who came to attest what Brigadier Gininda just wrote in here, or what I've read here, that accused number 3, no. Accused number 1, there in the homelands at KZN, went around boasting that himself, accused number 2, yourself, accused number 4 and 5, were involved in the killing of the deceased.
Manje ke Mntwana Ncube ke uthi ke umeli ke wena ke uyakhumbula mhlawumbe ukuthi ke ufakazi owabizwa ubizwa umbuso la enkantolo ufakazi oweza la icourt ke naye wasekhuluma ngendlela ke uGininde ekhuluma ngayo ukuthi ke accused number 1 wafika le emakhaya esishaya isifuba echaza ukuthi ke yena nomsana wesibili nowesithathu kuwena nowesine nohlanu ukuthi ke nimbulele kanjani uSenzomiya.
Akekho ufakazi owafika washo njalo.
No witness, my lord, was called to come and attest.
Ngaphandle komuntu oyi-1 uZungu washo njalo.
Only except for one person, Zungu, who mentioned that.
Lono yipolice.
Who is a police officer?
Uyu umuntu owafika washo wathi uSibiya wayekhuluma ngalonto KZN.
He's the only person that came before the court and testified that Sibiya came to KZN.
Abanye ke azange baze babizwe defense.
Some of the witnesses were never called. They were only called by the defense.
Labo abafika baphikisa konke lokho bathi abakwazi lokho kubhalwe phansi uGininde.
Those witnesses came before the court, my lord, and said they don't know anything about what Gininda wrote.
Kodwa istatement ezayithathwe yibo Gininda.
But the statements were taken by them, Gininda and them.
Who are these people that you're referring to? That these others came and said, no, it's not like that, despite the fact that the statements were taken by them.
Manje ubanda ukuthi bafika la ukuthi bathi ke cha akuzange kube njani abaphikisa lokho.
Kwabini.
It's Kwabeni,
Makhosonke.
Makhosonke.
Ubaba wakhe uZungu lo wafika wathi uZungu qamba mangale ekhuluma la icourt.
Zungu's father, who came before the court and said to the court, Zungu lied.
Washo impela wathi cha umfana uyiphoyisa impela kodwa bekakhuluma unamanga.
He mentioned before the court that yes, indeed, he is my son, but what he has testified before court is not the truth.
Thank you. We'll come and deal intensively with the evidence of Mr. Constable Zungu. Let us just pause on it for now, but as I'm saying, we'll come and deal with it very intensively. Now, of importance, as it affects you, this is what Brigadier Gininda says about you. He says, I'll read from on page 39 on the same proceedings of the 22nd of January 2024 from line number 25. He says, the ballistic test revealed that same firearm used in the murder for which the accused was serving his sentence were used in the murder of Senzomiya.
Masiphinde futhi sifunda futhi okunye ke okwashiwo uGininde futhi lokho kubalekile futhi okuthinta futhi wena uyawathi ke uthola ku page 39 uyawathi uGininde ke ngokuya ngokuhluza ke ama test la ayenza kulesibhamu lesiyana umbiko wakho ukhombisa ukuthi ke leso sibhamu lesi esabulala uSenzomiya yisona futhi ke what is it?
It's a firearm that was used for the offense that he is serving now.
Lesibhamu lesi ke esabulala ke uSenzomiya isibhamu lesi esasebenza kulecala leli ke ubuhlalele ngaphakathi.
Can you comment?
Ukhona ukufuna ukusho lokho?
Ayikulokho nje mina ngazi lutho ngofaka Senzo.
I don't know anything about the death of Mr. Senzo.
Nokuthi isibhamu sathi sibulala uSenzo lokho mina ngikwazi.
And also that the firearm killed Senzo, I don't know anything about that also.
Ingakho mina ngaze ngathi yena ngcono kungena ini private.
That is why I even suggested that they should involve
Private expert.
a private expert,
Iballastic.
the ballistic expert,
Ngoba vele lokho mina angikubelieve ngoba mina self azange ngibulala usenzo.
because what has been mentioned, I don't believe that, and personally, I did not unalive Senzo.
So angazi lutho zokufaka Senzo.
I don't know anything about the death of Senzo,
Into sike isibhamu sakuphathwa yimi ngabulala ngaso Senzo. Mina ngakuthiwa ngiphethe isibhamu ngibulala usenzo ngaso.
and there is no firearm that I used or I had that killed Senzo Meyiwa.
Now, he further says that upon your arrest for the 2015 matter, a cell phone was seized in your possession. A cell phone downloadings of your cell phone were done.
Kuthiwa ke kulokuboshwa kwakho ke ngalicala laka 2015 kuye kwathathwa ke cellphone kwasewenza ama-download ke ezinto ezingaphakathi kwe-cellphone yakho.
Now, he says that the photos which were found on your cell phone memory showed you wearing the same clothing that were identified by witnesses on the day of the incident.
Uyaqhubeka futhi uthi ke ngale nkathi ke bedownloada ke lezithombe lezi ezikule cellphone le yathola kuwe ke uthi ke uGininda ke kuye kwatholakala isithombe noma izithombe ke ezikhombisa wena ugqoke zona lezi mpahla lezi ke ezachazwa ngofakazi.
Awunamanga.
Gininda is lying.
Yena akekho ufakazi wakhuluma ngempahla egqokile.
And there was no witness that spoke or mentioned the clothing that I was wearing.
Abantu abakhuluma ngaloku za bakhuluma ngejacket yangenhla bathi yena abanye bathi brown bathi bakhuluma into eningi abanye bathi khaki yabo.
The witnesses that spoke about my clothes, they only referred to the jacket and with different colors. Some said it's brown, others said it's beige, and others said it's khaki. Different colors.
Umuntu oqonda straight yonke into uyi-one.
The person that gives an accurate version is only one person.
uGininda.
It's Gininda.
Uye umuntu yonke into eqondisa straight ukuthi hayi uye lo owenza lokho.
He's the only person that says this is the person who had committed or who has done this thing.
Now you need to explain it. I mean, just explain what do you mean by that?
Usho ukuthini ngalokho? Ngoba angizwisisi.
Ngenkulumo kaGininda yena ngendlela inkulumo zakhe ayibeya ngakhona.
The way Gininda, my lord, is relating or saying things,
Akukho akufanisayo noma mhlambe acishe akusekukho konke straight uthi yini.
everything that he says, he mentioned that everything points at me.
Yonke into mina uthi yimi. Ushuthi ngendlela engakhona uthi nje kuye umuntu wabulala usenzo.
The way I am, my lord, Gininda stands on that I am the one that killed Senzo.
Now, in terms of what you have just said, what would you then say about that which he's talking about you?
Manje ke kuloko kushilo wena konke ke uthini ngakho ke lokho kusho ubrigadier Gininda ngawo.
Mina ngazi lutho ufaka Senzo.
My lord, I don't know anything about the death of Senzo.
Umfaka amaphoyisa ayifika Senzo.
The police officers, my lord, are the one abangivalelisa again.
Yena ngqo uGininda uye umuntu omfakayo namaphoyisa wakhe la ithimba lakhe.
It's Gininda and his team, my lord, that are just involving me in this.
Ngoba ngisho izinto ezisendlini, itatimende nento ekhuluma abantu abasendlini. Akukho okungifakayo mina.
Because even the statements that were given by the people that were in the house, none of them actually connects me to this.
Kodwa uGininda yena uthi yini straight.
But Gininda is adamant that it's me.
What about the DNA?
Manje ke maseke uthini DNA?
Into ethi akusimina.
The DNA excluded me. Says I was not the one that was wearing that hat.
Kukhuluma umuntu oyifundele le nto yegazi.
An expert is the one that said that.
Kusho ukuthi ukwazi umphikisa ngomsebenzi wakho ngoba ngathi umuntu mayifunda ufundela umsebenzi wakhe.
Somebody that you can really not argue with him, because I believe that everybody learns their craft.
So le nto ibeke kwacaca.
He said it clear, my lord.
Mayelana nesiqholo.
Melana, their head.
Thank you. He further says that when he speaks about you, that you were identified by the witnesses on the day of the incident as the accused was carrying a revolver upon entering the house.
Uyaqhubeka futhi ke ubarista Gininda uthi ke wena wakhonjwa ke ofakazi ngalosuku lolu bethi ke wena umuntu ke owangena ke uphethe revolver futhi ugqoke nesigqoko ngalolu suku.
Now I want us to break this thing into pieces.
Manje ngifuna manje lenkulumo ke siyiphule ke senze kancane kancane.
Now, did the state call any witness who came and said that you were the person who got into the house and you were carrying a revolver?
Manje ke umbuzo uthi ke umbuzo ke ukhona ufakazi mhlambe ke ayambiza la enkantolo owama la umekhona namhlanje ufakazi owakhuluma la ecourt wathi ke ngosenkantolo umncube ke uyena umuntu owangena ngalosuku lolo ephethe irevolver.
Ingakho ngosenkantolo namanje ngisho ukuthi mina ngiboshwa uGininda nethimba lakhe.
My lord, that is the reason why I'm saying that I'm actually being arrested by Gininda and his team.
Yibo abangifaka kule ukushona ngasenzo Meyiwa.
They are the ones, my lord, who are connecting me or putting me in this charge of the death of Senzo Meyiwa.
Akekho umuntu okwafela icourt utshela icourt ukuthi mina ngabulala Senzo Meyiwa.
There is no one that has come before the court to tell the court that I am the person that killed Senzo Meyiwa,
Wayesendlini.
who was in that house.
Nanoyedwa.
Not even one.
Kodwa uGininda yena uthi yini.
But Gininda is adamant that it was myself.
And bachaza bona ngomuntu abambone ngene endlini.
And they give an explanation of the person that they saw entering the house.
Bekhona la eboxini.
And they did that standing here in the dock.
Basaqhubeka khona bathi bona babona umuntu omnyama.
They still explained that they saw a black person
Onama dread amafishane.
with short dreadlocks
but uGininda wabopha mina.
but Gininda chose to arrest me.
By the way, those witnesses or those people that you're referring to who came and gave what you've just told to the court now, who are they?
Manje ke lawo bantu labo ke obantu labo uthi baye bazala enkantolo ke bebo bantu konje?
Tumelo,
It's Tumelo
uZandi.
and Zandi.
Umuntu wesento bengakhuluma ngento eningi, but uTumelo noZandi nje kakhulukazi babantu abakhuluma nje.
Thomas did not say a lot of things, but Tumelo and Zandi are the ones who elaborated and said.
And would these be the people who were amongst the 7 other people who were in the house when the incident happened?
Manje labantu laba ke ilabanye ndaba bebakhona endlini kulabanye abayi7 laba bebakhona lapha endlini ngale nkathi sehlakalo lesenzeka.
Yebo abantu ababekho.
Yes, they were inside the house.
Enokunye mina okungimangaza kakhulu ukuthi abantu ababesendlini babalela ko6 kodwa kulethwa abantu abathathu.
And another thing, my lord, that surprises me is that the people that were in the house, they were said to be around 6, but only 3 were brought.
La enkantolo uGininda uthi nomkhulu balethe igama lokuthi kukhona umuntu abathi mastermind.
Here in court, Gininda and Mukhula gave a picture that there was somebody else whom they called the mastermind.
Yafunwa igama bagcina bathi uKelly Khumalo lo muntu.
Then the mention of a name was asked, or it was pressed, and then they ended up saying that person is Kelly Khumalo.
Bathi bayithume thina nabafowethu labo.
They said, my lord, she had requested or asked us and my co-accused to go and unalive Senzo.
Kodwa la court akekho uKelly Khumalo.
But here in court, Kelly Khumalo is not here.
Ngicabanga ukuthi mina umuntu obulele othuma abantu ukuthi beyobulala umuntu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngokwenkantolo noma ngokomthetho uyena umuntu osuke efuneka kakhulu lo.
I believe, my lord, that if there is a mastermind who has masterminded the killing of somebody, according to the law or according to the court, that person is important and he needs to come before the court.
Ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu engasuka ubulala umuntu engamthumanga lo muntu lo.
Because I don't think somebody can just go and kill somebody when he was or she was not sent.
Njoba uma kuthiwa umuntu ukuthengile ukuthi uyobulala umuntu. Kusho ukuthi uye wenza ukuthi uzibulale, ubungeke ubulala kube ngakuthenganga.
Because if somebody has paid you to go and kill someone, you would not have gone to kill that person if you were not sent to go and kill the person.
Angisho ukuthi uKelly Khumalo ubulele uSenzo Meyiwa.
I am not by any way saying that Kelly Khumalo killed Senzo Meyiwa.
But ngikhuluma ngenkulumo la ecourt ukuthi uKelly Khumalo uye wathuma izinkaba ukuthi zokubulala uSenzo Meyiwa.
But I am just referring or quoting what was said here in court, that Kelly Khumalo is the one that hired the hitman to go and unalive Senzo.
Incwadi khona la ivezile uGininda wathi ena wayibhala ukuthi beboshwe uKelly Khumalo.
There is a document that Brigadier Gininda said that he wrote that Kelly Khumalo should also be arrested.
Yancwadi ngandlela ebhalwe ngakhona mayifunda la ecourt. Should you uyabona ukuthi nomuntu engafikela kuyele NPA ngafika ibona ukuthi ayayilwa ngaboshwe namhlanje.
Because the way that document was written, if it were to reach the NPA, it was going to be an emergency arrest, that person should be arrested as